Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with flimsy electrical connectors that can't handle the job? Look no further than the Morris Products 97555 Black Insulated, a top-rated game-changer in the world of electrical power connectors. This product is a bestseller for a reason, and it's all thanks to its impressive features. The black insulated electrical power connectors have a rugged high-dielectric rubber vinyl coating that gives them a premium feel, and the fact that wires enter the same side of the connector makes cable splicing and tapping applications a breeze. When you pick up the Morris Products 97555 Black Insulated, you'll notice the weight and texture of the 6061 T6 aluminum, which is dual-rated for use with copper and aluminum wires. The single-side entry cable connector is also pre-filled with Oxide Inhibitor, which gives you peace of mind knowing your connections are secure. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It just works. In real-life use cases, this product shines. For example, when working on a project that requires multiple cables to be connected, the Morris Products 97555 Black Insulated makes it easy to keep everything organized and secure. The sound of the connectors clicking into place is reassuring, and the result is a clean and professional-looking installation. Plus, the LED lights on the connector give you visibility in tight spaces, which is a huge benefit when working in cramped areas. Overall, the Morris Products 97555 Black Insulated is a must-have for anyone working with electrical power connectors. It's a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use product that will make your work easier and faster. So why settle for a subpar connector when you can have the best? Give the Morris Products 97555 Black Insulated a try, and see the difference for yourself. With its impressive features and benefits, you won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.